This is good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rihanna. Oh, it's the wrong lighting. Hold up. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rihanna, aka Recreated, and I'm here to recreate anything possible. Today we're going to be going through an unboxing what I got from the nail supply store. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. But before we do that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for new content. Okay guys, so I go to a nail supply store. It's in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's called Love Nail Supply. So if you are not yet licensed, they do accept people who are not licensed. Anybody can shop, everybody can shop. So if you're just starting out and you live in North Carolina, I would definitely recommend you taking a trip to Love Nail Supply. They're very good. The customer service is impeccable. Their prices are impeccable. So don't sleep on them. Please go. So first thing that I got is some monomer. I ran out of monomer completely. Both my 2 bottles are gone. I got the Ema Liquid Monomer because there's the Mma Liquid Monomer and that one just dries way too fast for me. So this one, somebody says that they mixed both of them, so it's like kind of in between. But I noticed when I got the MMA, it was hard for me to kind of mold the nail, like, because it dries so fast. So I actually like, it's not that runny, but it's perfect for me. So do what's perfect for you. I got 3 new nail files. And I believe these are just regular 80 and 100 nail files on both sides. They had 2 for $3, so I definitely got that. I mean, they had buy 2 get 1 free. These were also buy 2 get 1 free. So I got these stickers to put on the nails because I plan on making press-on nails. So I got these because these were like more so the money. And I was like, oh, my best friend wanted some money nails because it's slime season for her. Slime 29. She just turned 29 yesterday. Shout out my best friend. So I went ahead and got some more of these jewels. I don't have any silver ones, but these silver ones actually work pretty. Well, I don't have any silver ones, so I have the ones that are kind of like, they have like the colors in them, but they're not just plain silver. So I like those. And I'm just literally grabbing out the box. I got these colors. These were also buy 2 get 1 free, so they were $5.99, so $12 get 1 free. So I got these as well. And I want to have this new, like, this is going to be some serious editing because I'm using 2 different camera views. So I also got me some more acetone. Just normal acetone. I like this acetone because I feel like it's better than the store brands that you can buy at Sally's or something, or Walmart. So that's why I got it. I got me a new gel brush. So this was $7. The gel brush is basically because I'm gonna be, and they gave me a little, they gave me this. I guess they just put like my stuff in here, but they gave it to me and I'm actually gonna put it to use. So I will be putting this to use. So I'm gonna just put that in there because it's not actually something I bought. And I also got this. So I got all 3 of these. Buy 2 get 1 free. So this is something else. They have like all kinds of different like pearls and different stuff. Like I need variety because I plan on making I plan on starting a press-on business. So in order to start my press-on business, like I need variety. Like if people are not gonna get their nails done with me, I need to be working on, like, I can't stop that. That cannot stop my grind. If I don't have customers, that cannot stop my grind. So I also got this free nail bit because every time I go there, I always make big purchases. So she always gives me something for free. And she told me this was a I think she said this was a number 5 nail bit, but this is mainly for smoothing, and that's what I really want. I got this stainless steel tray. The reason I got this tray is because I'm going to be doing gel. Like I want to try to do gel, and I didn't get the little containers for, like, you know, to mix the colors. So I'm actually going to mix the colors on this. That's why I got that. Just being innovative. I got these because all my jewels and things like that are just in little baggies, so I definitely needed one of these. So I'm excited to put all my stuff in here and organize. Oh my gosh, so great. I'm so excited for organizing. I got one of these because all my utensils are also in a bag. Everything's in pretty much Ziploc bags, and because I didn't have anything to organize, so that's what I got. So, and also I got me a new Dapping Dish, and this Dapping Dish actually has a cover. So I'm excited about this because, as y'all know, monomer is very strong and it needs a cover. It needs a cover when it's not in use, and also I can stop discarding my monomer when I'm not using it. Like at the end of the day when there's still like a lot of monomer. Say if I did a nail set and I just put some more monomer in there because I needed it, like I don't have to discard it because hello. Okay, so now moving on. Take a drink of water. It's 84 degrees outside right now, so it's a little hot, but I actually did it at a good time because the sun down. All right. Okay, moving on to the nail colors that I got. Oh yeah, before I move on to my nail colors, I got some of these. Oh, well, I should have got another one of these because I have some other ones that I have other nails that are in, but my press-on nails that I want to use, they're in baggies. So I'm going to be putting my press-on nails in here. So I have the organizers for my jewels, the little can for my utensils, and for my press-on nails, my organizer for my press-on nails. Oh, before we move on to colors, let's continue with this. So I got this. Like I said, I need variety, and yeah, this is loud. Yeah, these are colors, but I need variety. People want to pop their nails. It's still the summertime. You know, Labor Day is coming up. People still want to be colorful. And here we are with these. This is what I got from there. And this is the IBP Gel. So I got this for $18.50. This at the same nail supply store. This IBP Gel at the nail supply store here was like $25. It was $18.50. So I was like, but I could have sworn the other one, the bigger one, she used to have the bigger one, and it was a lot. She used to have the bigger one, and it was like $25 or $30 for the bigger one, but I didn't get it. I only got 4 colors. No, are you sure about that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I must have forgot to pick up another color, but I didn't go over my budget. So every time I go to the nail supply store, I had my budget. My budget was $200. So, and I said I had 3 items that I had in my hand. I was like, I'm just gonna wait for these 3 items. They were just like organizers and dusters for my fingers. I was like, I'm just gonna wait for these 3 items. So I waited, and I was like, can you tell me how much this is? And she was like, $199.45. I was like, I'm gonna stop there because we're right at the budget. So I was proud of myself. So let's go ahead and move on to our nail colors. So these are all of the nail colors that I got this time. So I got a nude, neon orange, a neon yellow, I guess, or a neon green, and a white. Because these are just colors that I don't have. And I don't really have neon, but I have like greens, but it will be like a solid, but it's nothing neon. So, and I don't have white yet, and I have nude acrylic, but no nude polish. So I definitely wanted to open up my variety again. And so I have also this blooming, oh my god, I've been wondering how those people have been doing the blooming nails, and now I figured it out. This is how you do it. It's Blooming Gel. Blooming Gel. I got some Blooming Gel, and I also got some Top Coat, DND. I really love DND, so it's just what I've been sticking with. I got these 2 Dapping Dishes just to put like the colors in, like whenever. So since I got a new Dapping Dish, that means I have 3 Dapping Dishes now. So when I do the IBP Gel and I want to kind of like mix the colors, I can put them in these little Dapping Dishes. Since they're very small and usable, I can use those for the IBP Gel. And that, oh wait, okay, so now I have the new Luxe Acrylic. I actually really like the new Luxe Acrylic. I have them in the color medium pink and clear because I was running out of clear and I needed clear. So I got medium pink because I feel like that's the color that I want to use, that little translucent pink. So that's what I went with. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the link in the bio. I don't know what the link is for, but follow my social media at Petty Blues. That is my nail page where I post all my clients' nails and all the personal nails. Also follow my Instagram at _recreated, and we will be back with more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends. Share this with your friends that are just starting out doing their nail supply, especially if you live in North Carolina. I'm calling all my North Carolinians, go to Love Nail Supply. If you live in North Carolina, Love Nail Supply. She's a very good, she has great customer service, and she doesn't watch people walk around the store like they did here. They watched me, like, and they did the most, following through the aisles. Like, she's a very young lady and she's very nice, and she has started her own nail supply business after she done moved to nail salon. She knows everything. She knows where everything is at her store. She knows everything that she got. She's very knowledgeable on all of her supply. She has discounts, everything. So go to Love Nail Supply. Look her up on Google. You will definitely find it there. I even went to the furthest of, because if you type in Love Nail Supply on your iPhone on the maps, it doesn't pop up. So I added it on there, and I was like, I added her hours and all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back with more videos. And then we're gonna do a thumbnail. Put all this stuff on the table. Okay, we could stop this video. Oh, perfect, because you are about to die. Please say you recorded. Please. Are you recording?